So you might know me just from my YouTube videos here, but I have an amazing place called Unlimited. It is a subscription service, and it is where I put all of my workout videos, hundreds of videos, full length, ad-free. We have a recipe library. I do a monthly podcast. We have tips and tutorials for our members. It's an amazing place to be. And I had a full circle moment yesterday about Unlimited that I wanted to talk about. So Unlimited was developed for me 8.5 years ago when I had my daughter, and I had to learn how to work out at home during small periods of time. So I put her down for nap, and I had to figure out what to do. And I found that I was researching on Google, on YouTube myself, trying to figure out, is it arm day? Is it leg day? Where's a workout I like? I only have 20 minutes. And by the time I found something to do, my 20 minutes literally was up, and she was waking up, and I had to go do my work, and I had to be with her, and I didn't get a workout done. I remember wishing that I had something at the time, like a one-stop shop that I could go and look at Tuesday and say, this is what I should be doing on Tuesday. It's a half-hour leg video. I'm going to do it at home and move on my way. And then the next day I could do the same thing and say, oh great, today's Pilates day. I'm going to do my Pilates. So that's where Unlimited actually came from. My need to serve people, including myself, to have that one-stop shop and easy workouts to do at home, as well as full service, again, recipes I could make for my family, and inspiration and motivation and all of those great things. So yesterday I was working out, but same thing. I had to put both kids down for quiet time, and I had very little time, and I was like, I don't really know what to do. I was off on the workout calendar for myself. So I went to Unlimited myself, and I was able to pull up an arm and ab video. That's what I wanted to do. I was able to do it in 20 minutes. Yes, I would love to have more time, but that's all the time that I had yesterday. I was interrupted by kids. That's okay. They knew what I was doing. They went back to their quiet time. And at the end, I felt energized. I felt better. I felt stronger, and it was easy. And it was just so fun to think of the fact that I developed Unlimited for that fact 8.5 years ago, and now I'm using it myself in the same respect. So I wanted to let you know that, because Unlimited registration is open right now, and we only open it a couple times a year. So right now, if you're watching this in real time and it's Monday, you only have 2 more days to sign up. So we're still open Monday and Tuesday, and registration is going to close on Wednesday. So Tuesday, September 21st is your last day to sign up this time around. The link is below. I would love to see you there. You can get all the details. And if you miss out this time, still go to that link and you can get on the wait list to be the first to find out when we open registration again. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.